gonna start packing my makeup, and then if you click this, it illuminates and you can change the setting of it. This is my second cube right here. In this one, I have all of my tops, my pajamas, and little accessories that I want to pair with my little outfit. And I think it's the perfect size for me to pack all that I can and still have some space in there to bring back some souvenirs. You know that song that goes like do 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 do? No? Let's try again. Start packing. Hi my lilies, and welcome back to my channel. Now I know it's been months and months of coming of me talking about how I went to Japan and me finally being able to share my journey of me just exploring the other side of the world right now. I wanted to go ahead and create this little packing video of how I normally go ahead and pack all my items when I'm not only going on a trip that's outside of the States, but just in general. For every trip, it depends on how I pack, but this is how I'm packing, specifically going to Japan. I hope you enjoyed this type of content. Let's get right into it. And yeah, I'm normally the type that will pack first all of my items into its separate cubes and baggies, and then that's where I'll actually go ahead and pack it on my suitcase. So just giving you a little overview of what I'm saying, starting away and put it together on my toiletries, and then lastly do my clothes, so that way everything is already packed in its own baggies or bags, and all I gotta do is just put them together. So this here, I got this from Didi's like maybe 2 years ago, I will say, and I absolutely love it. This is my little makeup travel bag. I'm gonna be taking these two eyeshadow makeup palettes. This one is Violet Voss. It's, I believe, from Essentials. I love using this as like my main base palette. And then this one is if I want to add a little bit of shimmer or do a little smoky eye or something different. This one is the Celestia Thunder. So I'm going to put these two inside of my bag in here. Pack my Wet n Wild Bare Focus Clarifying Finishing Powder, my blush, and then I like to pair it with this blush, the Lychee Gold blush. Put them together, it just gives that nice glowy, beautiful dewy look that I love. Love this mirror. I actually got this from Amazon. When you open it, and then if you click this, it illuminates and you can change the setting of it when you're holding down or not. I absolutely love this. This here is just the perfect size to have with you, and it really does a nice job of making sure you put on your makeup and to making sure you use the best lighting that you can, so even when you go outside to take pictures, your makeup doesn't look like, well, like a ghost, basically. My foundation, I'll be bringing my Dior Forever Skin Glow Tiny Travel Smashbox Studio Skin 24 Hydration Concealer. This is my e.l.f. 16 Camo Concealer. Of course, I'm going to be bringing my Too Faced Hangover Primer along with my setting spray. Ointment, because you never know. My flat brush and my angular brush from when I do my foundation. My eyelash and eyebrow brush along with the other tip. I could do my lips, and then these will be my eyeshadow brush I'm gonna be putting in there. Mega Clear Wet n Wild eyelash comb that I really like to put this on before I put on my mascara. Bang! My Bang Bad Gal mascara. I love this. I really don't know what this is, but I absolutely love this mascara. I really need to figure it out because I really don't know the name of it, but this here is the holy grail for me. And then, of course, my Better Than Sex mascara, Too Faced, the travel size, of course. I'm doing my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. My lip injection from Too Faced. This is Ink Velvet Ink Tinted Lip. And then, of course, this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. Let me show you here. I love this color. It has the name on the lipstick as well. This is the color on the bottom. I got from Dollar Tree. It is a switching sponge. I have all my eyeliners basically. My face, I'll be using this to clean my face. Be it for all the makeup I'll be using. So next I will be packing my carry-on item that I'll be bringing with me on the plane. I like to always accessorize and put a little charm on it, my little pink bunny. I really love this bag because you can put inside a lot, and it comes with an extra cube, which I'll show you. So in the front pocket, I already put some stuff in there. In here, I'm going to have some extra masks. I have my pink mask and my black N95 mask that I like to put in the Ziploc bag. I have my little stick for when I'm recording, pen. I like to put everything in little Ziplocs because it makes it a lot better, especially when you go through get your bag scanned. So I have my hand sanitizer, some Vicks, lotion, my favorite perfume, one of my favorite perfumes, and of course my sleeping spray mist for me to spray on my pillows whenever I want to calm down from my anxiety or just for me to sleep if I can't sleep. So I always keep this in here because I always like to put whatever I need to reach first and easy access right in this front section. I have some tea bags in here. I like to drink these because it helps with my digestion system and it just helps for any gas buildup. And lastly, of course, some earplugs. I completely recommend you getting some earplugs in the ear for the airplane ride because your ears can pop or there's just certain noises that you want to cancel, especially when you go to sleep. So this will come in handy. So I like to have a couple of those and put it in here. Go ahead and put my little masks back in there. And that is what I'm going to put in the front pocket for now. So I already have put my snacks so you can see what I'm going to be taking on the plane. Yes, they're going to feed us throughout the whole entire trip, but I like to have gum, especially for when the plane is taking off and landing. I feel like that's where my ears pop the most. So I like to keep those in hand and I like to have my little snacks just because a lot of times, especially when you're like anxious, snacking actually helps a lot. So I'll be taking those for me. This bag actually comes with this miniature little pouch, and in here is where I'm gonna have my JBL headphones, my recording devices, all of my portable chargers, and all of my charging cables in here. And in this here is my little miniature liquid cut, so if I cut myself I could just put this on sort of a band-aid. This worked wonders when I went to Disney last year because I had a cut on my foot, and let me tell you again, I gotta say, amazing. So I really recommend putting all of your electronic devices into a little tiny bag separate, because when you pass through to get your bag scanned, you can just take this out real quick and you can take out your laptop or iPad, and then boom, it's not you taking out all these different things. It's good to just group all of your items so that way it's just easier for you to find things, easier for you just in and out, and it just makes it a lot easier to just know where everything is at. So underneath quickly is just other essentials I'm packing, like mouthwash, and my girly essentials, my makeup bag, my little purse that I want to wear when I get there, and just other little essentials that I know I'll be needing throughout the trip. In here, my clothes that I'll be changing from when I arrive to Japan, because I'm going to be traveling with some nice comfy clothes. I recommend traveling with either stretchy yoga pants or anything that's breathable, because you do get bloated when you're on the plane. Some nice sweaters, and then just to layer up because you can get hot or you can get cold, and some compression socks that I'll be carrying with me. I'll lastly pack my wallet, and my passport and everything else will go on the front part of my bag. And I'm definitely gonna bring this as well, so I could carry all of my yens, because in Japan you carry a lot of coins, and those are yens, and it will work great for me to put all of it in here. And that'll be all that's gonna go in this bag. So now that I've went ahead and packed everything inside of my different bags and my packing cubes, I like to go ahead and start packing and just put everything together, and just makes packing just a lot smoother and easier. So packing right now is empty. What I did already was pack all my clothes into my little cube. Now I did get this is a whole set that I got from Shein, and I absolutely love it. It came with this bigger one, a medium one where I packed all of my tops and sweaters, and then it came with like 3 more little bags that you can put your shoes, you could put any other items that you feel that's necessity, and my other one that I like to use to pack my, time of the month essentials, which I like to call Tom. The next I'm gonna pack is all of my jackets and sweaters that I'll be taking. Normally when you purchase an order from Shein, they always like to send your goodies into these bags. I absolutely like saving these because you can reuse them, and it is so much better when you condense your clothes into little baggies like this. So these is going to be all of my sweaters that I'll put right there. This here, in here I have all of my shorts that I'll be wearing underneath any dresses and skirts. And then lastly, I'm gonna pack this. This is part of this set. And here I have 2 purses that I'll be taking with me throughout the trip. And yeah, this is all that I'll be putting on this side. It's super easy. All I'm gonna do is just clip this together, and then I have still so much space to put in here. As you can tell, if I decide to bring any other souvenirs, which I will bring souvenirs, so this will be it. I'm gonna just put this together and we're good to go for this side of my luggage. So on this side of my luggage, I'm actually gonna go ahead and start putting in my second cube. This is my second cube right here. In this one, I have all of my tops, my pajamas, and little accessories that I want to pair with my little outfits. Next, I'm going to put in my wash bag. Right. I didn't show much of what I put in my wash bag, but mainly it just contained all of my face creams that I use, and a lot of like my hair accessories as well. Next to it, and then lastly, I'm gonna put this here. This is my essential bag. I have anything that I will need. I have my ties in here, some Zycams, fashion tape, toothpaste, my Robitussin pills, which are amazing for when you get sick. They work wonders, especially when I went to DR, Dominican Republic, in January this year. My aunt gave me this, and it was the best thing ever. My ointment, Tide pen, some Halls, Purell wipes, an extra scrubber. In here I also have my Downy spray. I have some Lysol spray in there. My sports SPF. You name it, I got it. Some swabs for your ears. This is very much packed. I have in here as well. I like to have, let me show you guys. I actually like to pack, this is my glide for when I'm wearing skirts or shorts that I could put on. Even though I'm gonna wear some safety shorts, I like to still put this on because I don't like the chub rub. But this here, I absolutely love having these. These are amazing. I got them from Amazon, and basically this is to put on the toilet when you use public bathrooms. And yeah, it just makes it very easy. It's very sanitized, and you just can use away without feeling the discussion of have to squat. I have my aloe vera in there, and yeah, this here is my baby. I always keep this stocked, and then even when I come back from my travels, I will still keep this as it is. I won't take anything out because this is always going to be set for when I go anywhere and travel. What I'm going to do is I have my little air tag. This is waterproof case. I always recommend putting it in a waterproof case because you never know, something's going to spill in there. A lot of times people recommend putting it here, but I prefer to just have it hidden into somewhere because you just never know. So I'll put it in there and it's safe to go. And I feel like I can leave my suitcase and know that if it ever gets lost, which I hope it does not happen, that I'm able to find my luggage. The only tools I'm going to be taking is my styling tool, my curling iron with its own gloves. I'm just going to go ahead and put this over here. Push that over. I can actually go ahead and move this around like this. And I have so much space here, so much more I can fill up. The last thing I'm going to pack in here are my shoes. And I'm actually going to put it into this Shein bag right here so it doesn't dirty up my suitcase. And yeah, that's all I'll be bringing with me. I have all of my outfits, all of my accessories, my shoes, my sweaters, and I am actually overpacking some outfits, yet I still have so much space to bring back souvenirs. So yes, you can still pack. For 2 weeks I'm gonna be there, and you can still have enough space to go ahead and bring some souvenirs. I honestly didn't think I can do this, but I am so happy that I actually was able to go ahead and get this done. And I'm so happy to get this out the way. So I'm just going to go ahead and zip it and we're good to go. So guys, yeah, this is basically what I'm going to be taking as my personal and my carry-on. I got my nails done. Look at it, girl. Oh yeah. And these are just the luggages I'm going to be taking all in total. And yay, happy! I actually have all of my underwears, bras, and socks into these two big jumbo Ziploc bags, which I'm gonna pack these two items inside of my boyfriend's suitcase, and along with my little water bottle, like to carry with me so I can refill, because I drink lots of water. I like to stay hydrated. So these are the three things I'm going to put in his suitcase, and I'll be done with all of my packing.